So in today's video, I will share with you another strategy that you can use with CPAGRIP or CPABUILD or any other CPA marketing network that will allow you or that allow you to do content locking and actually allow you to do some incentive promotion to the offers. So if you are interested in making money with a brand new strategy, make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and as well make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this kind of content. So in the future I will make sure to share more strategies and more methods that you can use to start making money with CPA Grip or CPA Build and to earn a passive income. So if you are interested, keep watching this video. So let's get started. But first, in the description below I will leave a link of our website. So if you are interested in some platforms that will help you to grow your business online, some email marketing platforms, we have the 30% of 24 months plan on GetResponse and many other email marketing platforms like Aweber, like MailChimp as well, and some other great discounts, so some project management tools like ClickUp, like Monday.com, like Hive, and we have as well some great deals on some many different platforms when it comes to hosting and to build your online website. So if you are interested, make sure to check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Now let's get started. So as you can see right here, today's strategy is a paid strategy, right? But we will not run ads on Facebook ads or other platforms. We will not pay for ads, but we will pay other people. We will not pay them like real cash because this is not allowed on CPE Grip or CPE Build. You can do it with some sneaky strategies, but you need to be smart when it comes to pay money to pay people real money and real cash, but it's not safe, and all the time you need to pay attention that you will not get, the network will not find out about you and all of this stuff. But today's strategy is completely safe because as you can see on CPE Build and CPE Grip, we actually have some templates and content lockers that generate or that actually showing people that they can generate some PUBG coins. I think it's UC, or I don't know it is the name, or Free Fire coins as well to get some coins that you can use on PUBG. Today's strategy is about PUBG and on or generally about gaming niche, but I think Free Fire and PUBG is the most popular online games and everybody is playing these games online, so I think it's the perfect niche for our today's strategy. So what we have to do, or what is the concept, or how we can make money generally, how we can do that with this strategy. So the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche. So we say that we're gonna go with the gaming niche. Second thing, you need to target a country. So we're gonna go with the US because all of the offers in the US are paying very well, and then we need to pay as well the the category of the offers that we need to go with. So we will go with email submit offers, which is this one of earn money and all of these stuffs and this sweepstakes generally. Okay, so what is the strategy? First, we're gonna use a platform, something like YouTube. We can use Facebook. It will work with you perfectly on Facebook. So all what you need to do is just go to Facebook groups, for example a US Facebook group about gaming, especially if it's about Free Fire, it will be good. Then post your post. Just said, in a small post, just said, hi, if you are interested in getting free PUBG skins or guns or all of the stuffs, DM me, alright, or contact me. I will do it completely for free, or you will get the skins with no money, right? So we're gonna pay these people skins or this game coins instead of paying them real money, right? So first, it's really cheap because we're gonna buy the skins or generally the coins really cheap. Then we will ask these people first to complete these offers. So if you post your post and let's say someone contact you and said, hey, I'm interested in getting PUBG skins, what I have to do or how can I get it? All what you need to do is to create a landing page of 10 offers, okay? So you will ask this person to complete 10 surveys. Say, hi, okay, if you want to get free scans on PUBG or on Free Fire and all of the stuffs, all what you need to do is to go to this website and complete 10 offers or 10 surveys. Once you complete 10 surveys, I will check if you complete them like perfectly, then you will send him what you promised him. So for example, let's say let's go just with 5 offers, right? So this is 1 2 3 4 5. So each one pay you more than $2. Let's say it's just $2. So with 5 we got $10 from each person contacting you. You will make from him $10. But how can I pay him, or where can I get the skins and all of this stuff? Well, on the internet there are many different platforms and websites that you can use to buy PUBG skins and all of this stuff. The first website is ebay.com. So this website right here is accept all. So as you can see right here, the cheapest offer right here is PUBG Mobile 60 UC or Ancano. It's Ancano Cash. So yeah, so 60 UC, which is this coin right here on PUBG for 80 cents, which is really good because we gonna invest only 82 cents, or let's say if it's $1 because this is in the euro currency. So if we invest $1, we will make from 5 offers $10. So you ask people to complete at least 5 offers, and once they complete 5 offers, you will get paid $10 on CPAGRIP on your account or on CPA lead or build, and you will pay them only $1. So you will just use your PayPal to pay for this person, ask for his ID, and you will shop for him from this website. We have another website which is it's Midas Buy is another platform, and the next or the third one is Dundle. Dundle.com is another platform that you can buy this 60 UC for 99 cents, which is $1. So you will invest only $1 to earn $10, which is good. So you will make a profit of $9. So this is how the strategy basically works. Just try to contact more people, and the more people you contact, the more money you're gonna make. That was everything for today's video. See you on the next one.